Hi friends! Today we're going to start making a book because artists can also be illustrators who make the pictures for books. So we're going to have a long paper like this and we're going to make some folds and glue on a cover and a back, and then we're going to do our illustrations inside our little book for our story. So to make our little book, our paper book, we're going to need one 6 by 18 inch piece of white mixed media paper. We're going to need our glue stick, scissors, and some fun decorative paper as well. First, we're going to start with our paper, and we're going to find the middle and fold it in half, making sure that the corners are touching. And you can go ahead and do a nice little crease there. Then, with your crease on the left side, you're going to take the top piece of paper and fold it back to the side, making sure the corners are touching, and then push down for your crease. You're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Pull back your paper, make sure the corners are touching, and crease. Okay, so now we have an accordion fold paper. Turn it so where you open it like a book from left to right. Now we're going to cut the decorative paper to fit the front cover and the back cover. And if you need all of these pages to illustrate your story, including the back cover, you don't have to put decorative paper on the back, but I'm going to do both the front and the back. So I'm going to take my decorative paper and flip it over to the white side and just trace my front page like this so I know how big to cut it. All right, so see, I just traced those two edges, and now I'm going to take my scissors and cut on those lines. Perfect. So this should fit perfectly on our front cover now. I'm going to take my glue stick and just attach some glue to each corner. Do a little rub of glue. And I'm going to put a little X in the middle. Also going to put just a few dots of glue on the front cover. Here we go. Make sure your corners are touching. It should line up nicely. And then you just need to massage it in. Make sure that that glue sticks together. Okay, front cover is done. Now I'm going to do the back cover. Same thing. Take my decorative paper, flip it over, slide it in between my back cover and the other paper, and then just trace. For this one, we really only have to trace, well, it's almost perfect. We were just gonna have to trace this one line right here, but this part right here also is a little long, so I'm gonna trace both sides. And then just cut on the line. Here's my back cover. I'm going to add a little glue to it. And the glue to my back, my decorative paper. Make sure I get the corners. Make sure the corners are touching when I glue it down. I like to start with 2 corners, like at the top, and then just press the rest down. Massage it in. And there is just the beginning of our little book or story. Make sure to write your name. You can put it on the front cover or in the middle of the first page. If you're not going to use this page for any pictures, for your illustrations, you can put your name right here. By Mrs. Trollman. Right there in the middle. And we could even write illustrated, ILLUSTRATED. Illustrated by Mrs. Trollman. Okay, so now it is all ready for us to draw our illustrations or collage our illustrations into the book. Have fun, friends!